Hey everybody, it's Bruce with the Outdoor Element, and I'm working on a river table, and this is as far as I got right now, cutting slabs out of an oak tree from my property. I'd rented an excavator and had my friend Matt come over to help with some of the hard work while I did some video taping and excavator work.
Trees come pre-split. I like these logs that come pre-split.
It was quite the process getting that log into the back of the truck, but my dad was there to help. While I lifted the log in the air, he backed the truck up underneath the log. So I forgot to record the assembly of my chainsaw mill, but I have it out on that log at my house now, and just trying to get it all level. It's the first time I've ever used this. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing whatsoever. Here I'm actually assembling the part that connects to the chainsaw itself. Terrible directions, but I got this on Amazon for about $150 or something like that, and really, actually, the assembly wasn't too bad once I got a general idea of how it worked. You can see me making some adjustments there once I realized how it would fit on my chainsaw. I only have an 18-inch bar on the chainsaw, which is, the log was about 9 to 11 inches, and I thought, oh, well, that would be no problem, but you really lose a lot of the bar space in order to pinch the bar on the assembly. So that was about my maximum amount that I could do. As I started, I realized that part of the directions said, do not tighten the bolts. And next thing you know, every bolt is starting to fall out. I don't really realize it yet, but oh, there, now I realize it. It took a lot of messing around with the chainsaw adjustments and the rail adjustments and trying to figure out exactly how to do it. Like I said, it was my first time. The wind was also blowing insane this day, and it was cold. This process took a really long time. The bar gets attached to the assembly on the front by the motor and then at the end by the blade, or as wide as your log is. And while I had an 18-inch blade, you can see here that I just didn't have as much overhang at the end as I would have liked. That didn't allow me to tighten the unit onto the blade as much as I would have liked. So in the future, I'll get a bigger bar or a smaller log. I used a new blade for the second cut, but it really just took a long time. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. I ended up with these 4 pieces and then one small little scrap piece for a shelf. Each of these pieces is 2.5 inches thick, and hopefully I can turn that into a nice river table when this is all done.